Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Begin with Miss English.
Hey, great to have you here today.
I am Lily.
And I am James. And today we have a very special topic.
Yes, today we are talking about feelings.
Feelings. You know, the things we feel inside every single day.
Exactly. And James, before we start, I have a question for you.
Oh yeah? What is it?
When you feel very, very happy, what do you do?
I sing. I just start singing, even if I am not a good singer.
Oh no, James.
My neighbors are not happy about it, but I am.
Okay. So today we are going to talk about how to express feelings in English. Simple words, simple phrases, easy to use.
And English learners, do not worry. We will go slowly, we will go clearly, and we will make it fun.
Okay, let us start with the most basic feelings, happy and sad.
Let us start with happy. My favorite.
Of course it is your favorite, James.
I am a very happy person, okay?
So, how do we say we are happy in English? You can say, I feel happy. I am so happy right now. This makes me happy.
And here's a real situation. Imagine you just got a message from your best friend. They say, I am coming to visit you this weekend.
Oh, that is so exciting.
Exactly. So you can say, I feel so happy. I cannot wait to see you.
Simple, natural, beautiful. Now, the opposite. Sad.
Sad is when something does not go the way you wanted.
Sad is when something does not go the way you want it.
Like, imagine you worked very hard on something, a project, a test, an important task, and the result was not good.
That feeling is sadness.
You can say, I feel sad. I am a little sad today. This makes me feel sad.
And it is okay to feel sad. We all feel sad sometimes.
Yes, feelings are not wrong. They are just human.
Okay, now let us talk about stronger emotions.
Oh yes, the big ones.
First, excited.
Oh, I love this one.
We can see you are excited, James.
Guilty.
Excited is when you are looking forward to something. Something good is going to happen, and you just cannot wait.
Like, imagine tomorrow is your birthday, or you are going on a trip, or you are going to meet someone special.
That feeling inside, jumping, energy, smiling for no reason.
That is excited.
You can say, I am so excited. I feel really excited about this. I cannot wait. I am so excited.
Even saying it makes me feel excited.
Okay. Let us move on. Next, scared.
Scared. This is when something makes you feel afraid.
James, when do you usually feel scared?
Okay, do not judge me, but I feel scared when I watch horror movies alone at night.
James.
I know, but the sounds, the dark.
Okay, that is very honest, James. So in that moment, you can say, I feel scared. This is scary. I'm a little scared right now.
Or if you don't want to admit it, you can whisper it. I'm scared.
Perfect. Now, angry.
Angry is a strong emotion. It happens when something feels unfair or wrong, or when someone upsets you.
Imagine you are waiting in a long line. You've been waiting for 30 minutes, and then someone just walks in front of you. No sorry, no excuse me, just pushes in.
That moment, that hot feeling inside.
That is anger.
You can say, I feel angry. I am really upset right now. This makes me so angry.
But it's also good to know how to calm down. You can say, I need a moment, or let me calm down first.
Okay, now this is my favorite part.
What is it?
Talking about feelings with other people in real conversations.
Yes, because feelings are not just something you feel alone. You share them, you talk about them.
And sometimes you do not even know how to start.
Yes, you just stand there and say, um.
Exactly. I feel, a thing.
So that is exactly why we are here.
So here are some simple phrases you can use to ask someone how they feel.
How are you feeling today? Are you okay? You seem a little quiet. Is everything all right? What is wrong? You can tell me.
And when someone shares their feelings with you, you can respond with, I understand how you feel. That sounds really hard. I'm sorry to hear that. I am here for you.
James, has anyone ever said these words to you?
Hmm. Yes, actually. One time I was really stressed before a big presentation, and my friend said, I am here for you.
Aw, and how did that feel?
It felt really, really good. I did not cry, I promise.
James?
Maybe a little, just a little.
That is so sweet, James.
Okay, everyone, time to practice.
We are going to say some simple phrases, and we want you to repeat after us, out loud. Do not be shy.
No one is watching. Just say it.
Ready? Let us go. I will say the phrase first, then you say it. Ready? I feel happy. Now you say it. I feel happy.
I am so excited. Your turn. Say it with me. I am so excited.
I feel a little sad today. Now you. I feel a little sad today.
I am scared. Go ahead. I am scared.
I feel angry right now. Say it out loud. I feel angry right now.
I need a moment. One more time. I need a moment.
I understand how you feel. Now you say it. I understand how you feel.
I am here for you. Say it like you mean it. I am here for you.
Great job, everyone. You are doing amazing.
Seriously, every time you say these words, you are getting better, one phrase at a time.
Okay, everyone, that is it for today's episode.
We talked about happy, sad, excited, scared, and angry.
We learned how to express feelings and how to talk about feelings with other people.
And remember, talking about your feelings is not weakness. It is actually very brave.
So today, try to use just one of these phrases, just one, in a real conversation.
You might be surprised how natural it feels.
Thank you so much for watching Begin with Miss English.
If you enjoyed this episode, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English.
We will see you in the next episode.
Until then, stay happy, stay curious, and keep speaking English.
Bye-bye.